Are you tired of your current gaming setup resembling a potato more than a powerhouse? Fear not, fellow gamer! Welcome to your ultimate video on the best budget gaming PCs that won't leave your wallet feeling like it just got mugged in an alley. We know you want the thrilling experience of high-quality graphics without the heartache of student loans, and we've got you covered. From pixel-popping performance to wallet-friendly options, this post will equip you with everything you need to unleash your inner gaming beast, without breaking the bank or resorting to a life of instant ramen. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website consumerpicked.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Skytech Gaming Nebula, our pick for best budget upgradable gaming PC. If you're a gamer on a budget, finding the right PC that balances performance and upgradability can be a challenge. The Skytech Nebula gaming PC stands out as an excellent choice for those like you who want a reliable rig without breaking the bank. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 and an Intel Core i5-13400F processor, the Nebula can effortlessly run most current game titles, ensuring smooth gameplay and impressive graphics. The 4 RGB lit fans not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the PC, but also ensure optimal cooling during those intense gaming sessions. With a 1TB NVMe SSD, you'll experience lightning-fast load times, giving you more time to immerse yourself in your games. One of the standout features of the Nebula is its spacious mid-size ATX case. This design offers ample room for future upgrades, allowing you to enhance your system as your gaming needs evolve. Whether you're considering new graphics cards or additional storage, you'll find plenty of space to grow with this PC. While the Nebula does have a limited selection of ports, it still provides the essentials, giving you a simple but effective setup. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly gaming PC that delivers impressive performance and significant upgrade potential, the Skytech Nebula is a fantastic option to consider. Number 4. Acer Predator Orion 3000, our pick for best budget compact gaming PC. If you're in the market for a compact yet powerful gaming PC, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 could be an ideal choice for you. This machine offers a great balance between performance and size, making it suitable for both gaming enthusiasts and casual players alike. Featuring a GTX 1660 graphics card and an Intel Core i5 processor, combined with 16GB of RAM, it's ready to handle 1080p gaming with ease, even as new graphics cards hit the market. Although this particular model may no longer be available directly from Acer, you can still find it at various retailers, ensuring you can take advantage of its capabilities. Its thoughtfully designed chassis allows it to fit seamlessly alongside your monitor or tucked neatly beneath your desk, providing flexibility in your setup. The vented front and side panels promote excellent thermal performance, keeping your gaming experience smooth and uninterrupted. Moreover, the Predator Orion 3000 doesn't sacrifice style for performance. With its RGB lighting and a striking triangular power button, it brings the desired gamer aesthetic to your workspace. Running on Windows 11 Home, this PC is not just for gaming, but also supports multimedia tasks and everyday use, making it a versatile addition to your setup. With a memory storage capacity of 1TB, you'll have plenty of space for your games, media, and more, ensuring you can immerse yourself in your virtual world without limitations. Still searching for the perfect budget gaming PC? Well, don't throw in the towel just yet. We've got more coming your way. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe now and hit the bell icon to get notified when we drop new videos. You won't regret it. Number 3. Skytech Archangel, our pick for best budget premium gaming PC. If you're a budget-conscious gamer seeking a powerful yet affordable gaming PC, the Skytech Archangel is an excellent choice for you. This gaming desktop combines top-tier performance with a sensible price tag, making it ideal for both gaming and creative tasks. With Intel's i5-12400F CPU and an NVIDIA RTX 4060 Ti GPU, you can expect smooth gameplay on the latest titles and fantastic performance in applications like Unity, Adobe, and Blender. One standout feature of the Archangel is its high-quality design. The case boasts a mesh front cover and 4 RGB fans, ensuring optimal cooling during intense gaming sessions. Plus, the tempered glass side panel allows for easy access, making upgrades a breeze when you're ready to enhance your system. Despite the powerful internals, you'll appreciate how quietly this PC operates even when pushing its limits. The sleek white exterior, adorned with RGB lighting, adds a touch of style to your gaming setup. If you're looking for a gaming PC that meets your needs without breaking the bank, the Skytech Archangel is a smart investment. It's built to handle whatever gaming and creative endeavors you throw its way, making it perfect for your digital adventures. Don't compromise on quality. Choose the Archangel and experience gaming like never before. Number 2. MXZ Gaming Desktop, our pick for best budget RGB gaming PC. Enhancing your gaming experience goes beyond just having top-notch hardware. An impressive lighting setup can truly transform your space. If you're someone who enjoys the captivating aesthetics of RGB lighting, the MXZ Gaming PC is tailored just for you. With 3 RGB lit fans at the front and 3 additional glowing within the spacious case, this desktop not only boosts performance but also elevates the ambiance of your gaming area, immersing you even further into your favorite titles. Under the hood, the MXZ is powered by a Ryzen 5 5500 CPU running at 3.6 GHz, complemented by a GTX 1660 Super GPU. This combination ensures that you can seamlessly tackle most of today's popular games. However, be mindful of storage limitations. With just 500 GB of built-in storage, you might find your game library growing quickly. Consider investing in an external SSD or exploring cloud gaming services to alleviate these constraints and keep your gaming options open. For those seeking more storage, the upgraded model with 1 TB of space and an AMD Radeon RX 7600 GPU significantly enhances your long-term gaming potential. Ultimately, the MXZ Gaming Desktop provides a robust foundation for your gaming journey. By carefully assessing your storage needs alongside your gaming ambitions, you can make an informed choice that ensures your setup remains capable of handling everything you throw at it. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Skytech Shadow 4, our pick for best budget gaming PC overall. If you're a budget-conscious gamer looking to enjoy the latest titles without breaking the bank, the Skytech Shadow 4 gaming PC may be just what you need. It strikes an impressive balance between affordability and performance. Equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU and Intel's 13th generation Core i5 processor, this rig can handle demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Hogwarts Legacy with ease, ensuring you stay immersed in your favorite worlds. The Skytech Shadow 4 is designed for gamers like you who want a dependable machine without the fuss of constant upgrades. While it may not boast the latest high-end specifications, the RTX 4060 is well suited for today's gaming needs and is expected to remain relevant for years to come. You'll appreciate the convenience of its 1 TB storage, allowing you to install and access a library of games seamlessly. Furthermore, this gaming tower is not only functional but also stylish, featuring a sleek mesh front and vibrant RGB lighting that adds personality to your setup. With 4 whisper-quiet cooling fans and 6 USB ports, it accommodates various peripherals and keeps your system running smoothly. Perfect for multimedia use, personal projects, and gaming, the Skytech Shadow 4 offers everything you need in one attractive package. If you're ready to elevate your gaming experience without overspending, this PC is an excellent choice. That's a wrap. We hope you had a blast going through our list of budget gaming PC. If so, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which budget gaming PC you're planning to pick. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.